this?
Yay! Oh my
seaweed.
God, ang cute! This is cute!
Simple
Oh
lang
my
nito,
God, ang
guys.
cute!
Puro siya.
Headset.
Babe, alam mo kasi sira lang na headset.
Kaya nga yung binili ko, headset. Kasi
Thank you.
alam kong sira na yung headset mo.
Thank you.
Ang
Ano ba
cute!
kasama to?
Thank you for this.
Ano to?
Cute ka!
Alam mo ba ano to? Trolleys, guys. Lagi kong kinukuha dito yung gantong hamburger yan. Alam na ni Kuya.
Thank you for this.
Triggered a lot of childhood memories.
Next.
Ano yan?
Alkansya!
Alkansya? Oh, sige babe, I can use this.
Akin pa din, I can use this also. What's that?
Kasi yung
Oh, yung
yung
salamin.
salamin mo babe ay medyo pasira na sa door. Lagi na yung natin. So yan.
Okay. Actually, yun talaga binili ko.
Diba nun?
Kasi hindi ka na nga nagsasaks ng maayos. Oh my God. Yay! Ah! Cute! Cute! This one is for you. Something to wear. Kasi guys, gusto ko sa Jira na nagpo-polo. Kasi bagay na bagay. Kasi dito oh. Gusto ko siyang na nagpo-polo. Yan, something to wear.
Thank you.
Thank you for this. Ang cute. Ah! Hala, ang ganda. You like this?
Manga, yes!
Ang ganda.
Mango.
You like that?
Of course.
Ah, sa DIY. Ang ganda.
For table mo.
Ah! Ang
Ano
cute.
yan?
Wait lang. Tape recorder. Gusto mo pakinggan?
You have the same idea, babe. You have the same idea. Basahin mo yung ano.
I can't wait to go home to you every night, to always be with you while living life, for I have been just existing and you somehow made me feel like I'm alive. I can't wait to marry you. Until then, please hold on to this letter. I love you. I love you too. Aww, you're so thoughtful. Merry Christmas. I love you.